3 recipes to lose belly. These 3 simple recipes help you lose belly because they have functional foods with thermogenic properties that facilitate weight loss and fat burning and should be included in a weight loss program with a low-calorie balanced diet and regular practice. Physical activity such as dancing or walking every day for at least 30 minutes. 1. Red cranberry vitamin with skimmed yogurt. Cranberries contain pterostilbene, a substance that helps reduce body fat, and calcium from yogurt prevents fat from accumulating in fat cells. How to make: beat 1 non-fat yogurt and 1 cup red cranberries in a blender. When to take: this combination is great for an afternoon snack or when accompanied by granola for a complete and nutritious breakfast. 2. Coffee with cinnamon. 2 cups of coffee a day contribute to weight loss by having caffeine and chlorogenic acid, which help speed up metabolism and burn fat. In addition, cinnamon, when added to coffee, increases the fat burning of this drink. How to: add a teaspoon of cinnamon in a cup of coffee without sugar. When to drink: drink up to 2 cups of cinnamon coffee a day before 5 p.m., so that caffeine does not cause insomnia at night. 3. Ginger apple juice. Apple peel. Ursolic acid helps burn calories and when taken with ginger can increase metabolism by about 20%, which facilitates fat burning. How to do it: put a peeled apple and 5 grams of ginger in a blender and beat well. When to drink: this juice can be drunk fasting or before meals because the apple has fiber that will help curb your appetite and eat less at mealtime. 3 of the best homemade recipes to lose belly fat are cranberry red yogurt, cinnamon coffee, and ginger apple juice. Despite great suggestions to include on the weight loss diet menu, recipes with thermogenic foods such as coffee or ginger should be eaten in the first half of the day to avoid harming the quality of the sound. But if you're really intent on getting your belly set in just 10 days, this video has more unmissable tips.